Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 12111 Class 2 trailer hitch on a 2015 Ford Escape. For a better view of the installation, we will be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this install to take 40 to 80 minutes depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. To begin, lower the exhaust by removing the four 8mm bolts from the muffler brackets. Next, remove the rubber isolator holding the exhaust in place. We recommend using a spray lubricant or soapy water mixture with a pry bar for ease of removal. Remove the fastener securing the heat shield to the bottom of the driver's side frame rail. To trim the heat shield, refer to the diagram in the included instruction sheet. Tape off the portion of the heat shield covering the mounting areas on the driver and passenger side frame rails to be trimmed. Use an aviation shears or rotary cutting tool to trim the marked areas of the heat shield. After trimming, reattach the heat shield to the bottom of the driver's side. Enlarge the access hole to allow the included 7/16" carriage bolt to pass through. Next, fish wire the rearmost attachment point. To do this, insert the coiled end of the fish wire into the attachment hole of the frame and out the enlarged access hole. Place a square hole spacer over this end and insert it into the frame of the vehicle. Thread a carriage bolt onto the coiled end and place it into the frame as well. Pull on the opposite end of the fish wire, bringing the carriage bolt through the spacer and out through the attachment point. Leave the fish wire threaded to the bolt to ensure that the hardware is not lost in the frame. Repeat the fish wire process for the middle attachment point. Next, reverse fish wire the final attachment point. To reverse fish wire, thread a carriage bolt onto the coiled end of the fish wire and insert it into the frame rail. Place a square hole spacer over the opposite end of the fish wire and place this into the frame rail as well. Pull on the end of the fish wire to pull the carriage bolt through the spacer and out through the frame. Leave all fish wires attached to the bolts to make sure that the hardware does not fall into the frame. Repeat the fish wire processes for the attachment hardware on the opposite side of the vehicle. Raise the hitch to the rear of the vehicle and feed the fish wires through the mounting holes of the raised hitch. Slide the passenger side over the exhaust and shift the hitch into position. Remove the fish wires from the hardware and secure with the provided hex flange nuts. Reattach the muffler brackets through the bottom of the hitch into the original mounting holes using the provided M8 hex bolts and 5/16" washers. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet and reinstall the exhaust. This completes the installation for the CURT 12111 Class 2 trailer hitch on a 2015 Ford Escape. Check out our stylish Euro mounts and install the vehicle-specific trailer wiring harness for your ride. Thanks for watching this video.